guys, welcome back to Making Frugal Fun. I'm Shannon and I share our family's debt-free journey to pay off over $500,000 of debt and also some easy budgeting and organizing tips. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss anything. Today I'm taking you along with me to Big Lots. We're on the hunt for some organizing supplies, some organizing bins. I'm hoping I can find a few good deals because I have a lot of organization projects that are coming up that I have planned, and so obviously I want to save money, as much money as I can. I've been researching on Amazon and I haven't really been to Big Lots that many times. I know there's one in our area, so I decided to stop in and see kind of what's going on there. Almost 3 years ago, we downsized our house. We were living in like a 3,000 square foot, like a two-story house, and we're now in a 1,000 square foot house with the 5 of us. We have 3 young kids, so it is kind of a tight squeeze. I know some people are used to that space, but for us, it was definitely a shock. Like, we had way too much stuff, and we've been learning to live with definitely less, and it's saved us a ton of money and helped us pay off debt way faster. I thought we'd be moving this summer and buying our first home, but after reassessing our budget and how much debt we have left, we decided it was the best to stay in this house for at least another year while we finish off our student loan debt and then start saving a down payment for our first home. It's so hard to not be like, oh, things will be so much easier when we have more space or when there's more storage areas and more closets and things like that. Like, I don't want to be one of those people that are like living, you know, for the future all the time. Like, oh, things will be better later. I want to live right now in the present moment, and I want to love the space that we're in. I think one of the problems with our home is we have way too much stuff still. Everything's cluttered. The toys are crazy. So that's why I kind of started this organizing series. A few weeks ago, I did a pantry organization video. Definitely want to reorganize our refrigerator, all the cabinets in our kitchen, the playroom, and the toy clutter. There's got to be a solution. Make sure you subscribe so you can come along with me and I can share some organizing tips and small space storage hacks that I come up with as we go. I'm definitely on the lookout for deals and I'll be hunting for all the best finds. I thought today would be just really fun to take you along with me and shop at Big Lots. So let's go in. So obviously on my way to find the organizing stuff, I got distracted by all these adorable home decor items. However, I did not buy any, so I'm really proud of myself. There were a few different aisles that had organization supplies. So this is the first one that I found. They had a lot of really great baskets, very versatile for organizing different spaces in your home. I ended up grabbing these bin sets, these clear and white bins, and I'm gonna do a haul of everything I got at the end of the video, so make sure you stick around. They have a lot of home decor items for holidays out, Easter, St. Patrick's Day, Valentine's Day, everything really affordable, super cute. I love all the spring gardening stuff. It really gets me in the mood for warmer weather, and I definitely want to give my backyard like a mini makeover so it'll be a more inviting place for us this summer. These are some more really great food storage finds in the kitchen section, and I actually ended up picking up this meal prep storage pack with 10 containers, and I talk about how I plan to use these at the end of the video in the haul. They had a lot of affordable pantry organizing items. These wire shelves are really cheap, $4, and I just got a set at Walmart for more than that, so that's a really good deal. These egg containers are really cool. We buy way too many eggs. They would never fit, so I don't think this would be a good find for us, but I do like how those look. And more clear storage bins. These were a little pricey. More affordable home decor, even the large framed art, everything seemed to be like under 30 bucks. And I think I'm always just gonna be obsessed with monograms. I just love it, even if it's not in style anymore, I don't know, but this was really cute too. I have big plans with these to help organize the playroom, which I'll talk about in just a minute. And I'm hoping this will help organize our entryway clutter. Then I grabbed a couple more items for the kitchen, and now I'm gonna share with you guys everything I got and how I plan to use it to organize our small space. So the first thing I got are these really gorgeous clear organizing bins. It's a 2-pack. It was $10 for the 2-pack. and they're really high quality, thick plastic organizing containers. I'm planning on using these in the refrigerator. They had like the things where you put eggs, but we buy like 60 eggs at a time. We eat a ton of eggs in our house. So I was thinking about using one of these to maybe pile all the eggs in. I might still look on Amazon to see if they have any like egg bins that hold more eggs. I will show you guys when I do my fridge organization video, which will probably be next week. I might have gotten another pack of these, but this was the only one there, so I was excited to grab that. They also had a 3-pack of plastic white bins. I might actually use these in the main fridge and use these in the freezer. I can't decide yet, but my freezer needs serious organization. These are just like a great catch-all bin or tub for the fridge. So 3-pack for $10. These are an even better deal. Not as high quality as these clear ones. I love the clear bins, but for 3 for $10 is a pretty good deal. Also, while we're on the topic of the refrigerator, my husband takes his lunch to work every day and he eats several meals a day. He does like a lot of meal prep and working out and that kind of stuff. So one thing that really bothers me is we have like a million like leftover containers or plastic storage containers, but none of them really match, so it's hard to stack them to where they look nice and you can see everything in the fridge. So I found this. It's a 20-piece set, so there's 10 meal prep containers, 10 containers with the lid, and it was $6 for this whole thing. I'm excited to see how well they hold up. It says that they're microwave and dishwasher safe as well as freezer safe. So that's a pretty good deal, $6 for 10 containers, and I'll be able to just stack these up easily in the fridge. I almost got 2 packs. I might have to go back and get more, but it'll be nice. I can stack these in the fridge and have all of his lunches ready for the week, and he'll be able to see them easily, pop in his lunchbox in the morning. Hopefully it'll save more space in the fridge as well. That was all I got for fridge organization. I really wanted one of those large Lazy Susans, but the only one I could find at Big Lots was $19. I feel like I can probably find one cheaper, so I'm gonna do some research on Amazon. I thought those would be fun for like kids snacks to put in. And I might get some more clear storage bins for the fridge and freezer on Amazon. I found a few different options. So I'll be working on that this week so I can get a fridge organization video up for you guys next week. A couple other things I did get for the kitchen. I got one of these double towel bars that hangs over the cabinet. This was only $4, and I got it because the hand towels that we use in the kitchen, we usually just hang on the oven door, but they don't stay very good and the kids just pull them down and they're on the floor. So it's kind of really annoying because then we never have a hand towel and it drives my husband crazy. So I thought this double towel bar looked like it would kind of hold the towels on a little bit tighter, and you can put it right over the cabinet door, so it's perfect if you have a small kitchen like me. I also just grabbed this double hook. It was $3.50, and I thought there's a lot of things that you could do with this in the kitchen. So it goes again over the cabinet door. I'm not exactly sure what I'm gonna do with this, but after my fridge organization, I'm gonna do a kitchen cabinet and under the sink reorganization because it desperately needs it. And so I'll find a good use for this. There's a couple other things I have in mind that I want to grab off Amazon too that I was hoping to find, like one of those for the cabinet organizers where you can put cutting boards in, because we don't really have anywhere good to store those. This is one of the things I'm most excited about. So I'm planning on starting a toy rotation for our kids. As you guys know, we have 3 kids. They're small. They get totally spoiled at Christmas, birthdays, by grandparents, friends. When they have birthday parties and stuff, it's just like insane. So I feel like I can never control the toy clutter. And so I've been reading more about toy rotation, where you store the majority of their toys and keep just a few things out for them to play with. And then every couple of weeks, you put those away and then bring out a new bin. So it's like they're always excited. They have new toys to play with. And I've actually been reading that it inspires more creativity and kids feel less overwhelmed by all the clutter and encourages them to play more. I was really excited to find these storage bag sets. I think they're like for comforters and sheets. It's a 2-pack of closet storage bags, and they're see-through. The reason I was so excited to find these is because I was looking at those large plastic bins that you know, you can see like at Christmas to store everything in. I was thinking I would get 4 of those to store the kids' toys in for the toy rotation project. And they're like, well, at Big Lots, they were $22 a piece. And you know, whenever I see them anywhere, they're like 20 bucks a piece usually for a huge plastic storage tote. And this was $12 for a 2-pack, and I grabbed 2 of them. So it's like for the price of 1 of those giant totes, I was able to get 4 storage bins. So I'm gonna see, I mean, these aren't giant or anything, but I think that they will probably hold quite a few toys. And that way I can just use these 4 bins to rotate their toys. And also, since they're kind of collapsible, I think they'll be easier to find a place to store, because I'm gonna have to store the toys, the extra toys, in the garage or in their closet. Our biggest problem is we have like no storage. We have a 1-car garage and we don't park our car in it because we use it for storage, Christmas and all of our other stuff. So here's the tall bag. You could definitely fit quite a few toys, stuffed animals, dolls in these. So make sure you subscribe so you can see my playroom organization project, which I'll be doing in a few weeks. And this one's more like a flat and skinny, so, but it's like a toy box size. It's hard to see because it's all squished down. But I'm excited to see if that works out and if toy rotation helps us to control the clutter and the chaos in our small home. The last thing I got, I was really excited about. This is super lightweight. It's just a small wooden bench. It's not for sitting. It only holds 10 pounds, but the picture got me. I was thinking this would be perfect by the door for like shoe clutter and to put like some extra blankets. I also was thinking we could put like a little bin with library books that need to be returned so they don't get mixed in with all the other toys and books. Also just like a place to set purses or backpacks or things we need for the next day. I do have hooks that hang by the door where we hang the kids' backpacks and coats, but it's still like, it's an uncontrollable clutter mess by the front door. I don't know, it's like crazy, but I just want to get stuff like off the floor. I'm excited to see how this looks and how it turns out. We don't have a traditional entryway, like you just open the front door and you're in the living room and the kitchen, basically. It's kind of like an apartment setup, so I kind of try to create a faux entryway, but we don't have a lot of space to spare. So I think this will be a really good option to try to control some of the front door clutter. So I only spent $75 at Big Lots for all of these organizing items. I'm pretty excited about that. I'm excited to share and to see how we make our small home more functional for the next 1.5 years that we will most likely be here while we're finishing off our student loan debt and saving up for our first home. So of course, I'm still always sharing our debt-free journey and budgeting tips, but if you like these organizing videos, let me know because I really enjoy doing them. It helps me to stay motivated on keeping my own home decluttered and organized, and I hope it also gives you a little motivation to do some decluttering and some ideas for space saving hacks if you're also in a small space. One of my favorite things to do when I'm not feeling motivated to clean is to watch other people clean and organize. So I hope that this does that for you. And make sure you subscribe so you can see all of my upcoming organization projects and debt-free journey updates. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.